Hello and welcome everyone, this is Less Than a Minute. Nowadays it's winter and drivers on the highway suffer from smoke. They see smoke while they're driving and the visibility is not fine as in the summer, for example. What do we call this smoke? This smoke is called fog or mist. Those two words could describe that. The difference between those two words is in the visibility. When you say fog, fog means that you see 1 kilometer and less. You don't see beyond that. But when you say mist, you see beyond 1 kilometer. There is smoke, but you can see beyond 1 kilometer. And in driving terms, drivers say fog about anything less than 100 meters. So that's the difference between them. I hope it's clear and useful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.